Okay, we are back. What is happening? I see a 1 minute zone on the top left here of my screen. You see this 1 minute zone right here? It's near where we took our trade in the morning session. All right, and we're up like $500 off that one trade. We just used max size. Um, we're just trying to pass a Tradeify combine. I've never done max size with a trailing intraday trailing drawdown. I've only done it with end of day trailing because it's a lot safer. Because I'm kind of afraid that if I do an intraday trailing, we'll have issues, but we'll see. We're doing all right so far. This is a nice setup. I'm not gonna take it. I don't really like how strong we're rejecting this lower area, especially since we have resistance. We should mark this out too. Okay, yeah. And then let me do this. Let me put a line at 130 so I know when to tap out. There it is. Let's hope that we get some setups today. Get rid of this here. We might just stay ranging, hopefully not. Make this red too so it's more clear. Okay, what are we seeing here? All right, all right. Yeah, we seem pretty bullish still. We're still obviously ranging, but in the higher time frame, we're bullish. This candle pattern right here on the 15-minute looks like we're about to switch to bearish. But I'm just gonna wait till we get that 1 minute close over the zone. Then I'll take that as my bearish indication. We also have this zone that is really strong. No doubt this will be respected. I doubt we're gonna switch to bearish. And if we do switch to bearish, it's gonna be very, very strong. Okay. Mm-mm. If you have any questions too, please just ask me. I love to help. Like right here, here's the pattern if you know the setup. The sweep, swing high, swing low. Price came out, tapped the zone, then broke structure. We expect price to come in, then fail, take profit, or their stop loss up here. I don't want to take a counter trend trade though. Everything seems so bullish, so I don't want to be in the way, meaning like counter trend. If we like broke down and had all this bearish indication, I'll take it, but we have like no bearish indications. I don't think I would have even taken this trade. I don't know, because I do like this. It's just outside my trading hours. Oh, let me adjust this. I had it set to 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. Yeah, so this is the one that's not set to 1,000. Mm-mm. There's no need for me to have this, but it can tell me, like for reference. Yeah. So like on average, a trade is about like $1,000. Some are like 500, 600 because they're a lot smaller. And then after fees, you're at like high 400s. Um, so that cuts the combine down to about, I think, to like 6 trades or less. But like these bigger zones, can I do? Yep, it's 5 contracts. They just all average 5. That's funny. Okay. I got lucky and I saw this one zone in the morning that was around 2K, but I was scared to take it because trailing is at 2K. So like I didn't want the trail to hit. So I just went down 1 contract. But the I ended up having to like take my order off on the zone because the zone was like lower probability. But I still like I was just ready to take max size. It's easy to do that when you're only looking for A plus plus plus. Like I'm not gonna take this because it's not A plus plus. This is a lower probability, but it might deliver. I just don't want to take lower probability. You would enter here. You would have your take profit right here. I'm afraid we're gonna do nothing. Like for the session. Sorry, I'm looking at my incomplete data. Okay, okay. Give me something. I'll even write it down. Maybe we'll get something. It worked last time. Please, sir. Give me something. Oh, look. After I said that, we're starting to get movement. It worked this morning. Maybe it's working now too. Let's go. Ideally, I just want to set up just so we can get some action going. On the 15-minute, you can see that how we're making that little rainbow. We'll see if we dump. But December, we've been getting like a lot of strong movements and then accumulation. And strong movement and accumulation. So I'm just hoping we break out of our accumulation soon here. These resistant lines and zones are holding pretty strong. There's something here, but there's incomplete data, so I can't trade it. Mm-mm-mm. Since I only have 2 of y'all here, I think I'm gonna go over the mentees trades. And if we got more people, I wouldn't do this. Yeah, so nothing's going on. I'm gonna go over the trades. Just been needing to get it done. Okay, so let's go to here. Let's go to, where is it? Okay, let's do Andy first. Okay, hold on, let me see. Yeah, dude, nothing is going on at all with price. Okay, I'm gonna keep that up right here so I can keep an eye on it. Move that here. Let's get rid of this text. Okay. And then let me review these trades for the mentees. Just haven't done it yet. Now just keep an eye on price right here. If anything happens, I doubt anything's gonna happen though. Okay, so this is a lot. All right. Let me drink some water and stretch real quick because I'm actually gonna go through this. Okay, hold on. I'm almost ready. I want to try popping my back. Give me a second. There's like a couch here. I'm gonna try just to pop on. Give me a second. Yeah, that worked. Okay. Oh, I think I'm ready. Okay. So we got no setups right now. Nothing's really going on. I'm just gonna go over the mentees traits. And since we have no viewers right now, it's the best time to do this. Okay, let's do this. So let me try to take both sessions. Blah blah. Okay. Blah. Okay, before I dissect this, I'm liking everything so far. On okay. Um. That's how I know Andy didn't watch the course. He just rushed right through it. Put the comments below or the below. Use the comment as a summary on the day. Use the comment as a summary on the day. So the text you put there and pictures. Let's move this out the way so he can get a better example of what I'm talking about. Because we want him to succeed here. Let's see, I'll just say we'll wrap up. Only a plus plus, whatever. Super patient. High skill patience. Oh, whatever. And then the summary of the day would be like low price. And let's say it was green. Okay. I just want to send him a full example of like what I want or like what I want to expect from him. Okay. Text. Do what? I like the way Adrian does it because faster and easier to digest. Back text. Let's show it an example. You look, they're even getting nicer. How awesome is that? He's getting so good too already. Okay, so like I want to paste. He has his journal and let me screenshot this too. I love that Adrian does this. Okay, like sets the standards for everybody else. He has his journal. and he marks up the chart after a trade is taken. Let me send, just in case Andy is too lazy, let me just copy message link and paste it. Just want to make everything convenient for Andy. Okay, so they both paid to be in the mentorship. They're both going to succeed. I can guarantee you that. Now it's time for me to dissect them. So we're getting Andy in the right direction. He knows what he needs to do correctly, or more better. And then now let me try to dissect all these traits he's taken. Okay, forced. Took a trade out of a zone that didn't look clean. Took a trade out of a zone that didn't look clean. There was another underneath that hasn't been mitigated. However, I was able to prevent taking 2 L's by not taking a setup earlier due to high volatility. This is the only trade I took both sessions. Okay. He took this one. All right, so I'm going to tell him. Reply. No proper sweep here. No sweep. I'm also watching price on the left, and we still haven't really done anything at all. We're still in a range. You can see the 1 minute that we're still ranging. Okay, so no sweep here. I don't like taking zones on other zones because the top of the zone becomes a magnet. So let's tell him that. No sweep on bottom zone. Top zone is a big no-no because the bottom zone is a magnet for the stop loss. Then let me send him a second picture to get him a visual understanding of what I'm talking about. Okay, so we have this zone. Oh no, you know what? Yeah, so we have this zone. And we have this zone. Okay, and then let me get price. Let me make, look, I have an idea actually. We do this so he gets a better understanding. So price comes in, comes out. The yellow is price respecting the green zone, showing how the red zone wouldn't make sense because we are tapping the green zone. So the result is that we pass the stop loss of the red zone. Okay, so that's one trade done. Okay, nice. All right, let's keep it moving. So we did this one already. This is the next trade. This was a trade earlier I was thinking about taking, but no reaction was given, so took the limit off. Oh, I see. Okay, I like that. But looks like this trade was not proper here. Yeah, there's no proper sweep. Okay, maybe he needs an understanding of what sweeps are. Maybe he doesn't know. Maybe there is a sweep. Okay, hold up. I'm just gonna mark this out. I did like how he took his order off because no reaction, but not sure if this was a proper sweep. Seems equal lows. I'm watching price on the left still while I'm doing this. We got an extra view here. What we're doing is price is doing nothing. So I'm going over the mentee's trades right now. And I'm only doing this because no one's here. If there was more people, I would not be doing this. But I do want to do this one day out of the week with y'all. I'm thinking of doing it on Fridays. But I'm just gonna do it now. No one's here, and I need to get these over with. Let's see here. Hold on. Let me extend this red zone a little bit more, and then I can pull it back up. Where was it at? It was okay. So let's hold on. What we've done? We've entered 2 trades. He still has more to go. 1, 2. Okay. There are zones that I marked out but didn't get filled. Let's make sure he didn't give me the picture of the full zone. Okay. See, oh, maybe he did give me more pictures actually. Never mind. Hold on. Oh, I don't want to skip through these. It's 3 photos. Hold on. Okay. Right, let's see how he created these. Okay, let me just open this on the browser so it's bigger. We're looking at the higher time frame also. Okay, I spot a few things in this picture I can tell him. So I see a higher time frame zone here. Okay, so let's take a step back for a second. There's a lot of information that needs to wrongly digest. So first things first, 15-minute zone. Let's get out the way here. Let's see. So here we have a 15-minute zone. And what else did I see here? Tap, tap. Oh, almost got filled. So that I marked out didn't get filled. Okay. One more thing. Wait, now that I'm looking at it, I'm so glad I didn't take it because there was no valid sweep. I think there was a valid sweep actually. I can check for you. Yeah, that's a valid sweep of accumulation. Right here too. That's valid sweep. Yeah. Okay, I see prices coming down on the market. I'll show y'all right now. Let me just mark this out for him real quick. Draw it out. So the zone would be like this. So he's sweeping this accumulation. Do a different color so I don't confuse him. This is accumulation. I think it's like a cum. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Swept accumulation. Nice. We're knocking this out. I see prices coming down now from this zone, but I can't take trades within zones. The only thing I really be interested in is if we like had a small little pullback on the way down or a small little pullback on the way up. Okay, let's go back to here. Okay. Next one. Nice. We're knocking these out. It's pretty good. Okay, I already told him about fixing this. What did he say though? Expect a loss. Not mad at the losing trade, but more irritated that all other setups did not fill me. Already hit 40%. You are mad. Let me see. You are mad. You lost by still trying to trade as soon as your emotions spiked. Hello, viewer number 4. Just real quick, what we're doing right now. There's no on the top left, on the left side. You can see I'm trading the 5-second and the 1 minute. I'm just watching price at the moment. I'm getting no setups. If I do get a setup, I'll be ready for it. But nothing's happening right now, so I'm going over one of the mentees trades. And so if you have any questions, please ask. Okay, so what did he say here? Okay, you are mad you lost by still trying to trade as soon as your emotions spiked. Missing setups will cause FOMO. Setups hitting 40% will cause FOMO. Okay, so you are mad. You are mad. You lost by still trying to trade as soon as your emotions spiked. Missing setups will cause FOMO. Setups hitting 40% will cause FOMO. Do 10 push-ups. Okay, so just to give a quick background, Andy is somebody who I'm like advertising to. He's the type of character that I'm like looking to train. It's struggling traders, so traders who have been stuck in the loop or have just been struggling for a while. So he's saying here in his notes that um, basically he's saying that he had FOMO because of missed opportunities on the charts. And he said he's not mad, he's frustrated. And I said, you are mad. You lost by still trying to trade as soon as your emotions spiked. Missing setups will cause FOMO. Setups hitting 40% will cause FOMO. Do 10 push-ups or walk in a circle around the house or take a 3 to 5 minute break. Take the back test serious, keep emotions at bay. This isn't a game. It's just simple advice. Just keep him back on track. He paid for me to be his mentor, so I'm doing exactly just that. We want him to succeed, and let's mark this out here. Actually, I wanted to see this on the bigger screen. So price came down, failed, missed. What I'm noticing here is he didn't even mark out the highest and lowest zone. Check here. When is his market open for him? Oh, okay. Also, don't forget to mark the high and low sweep the start of the session. Let me give him an example too, just so he's not super confused. Because I know I did it. Yep, I did it this morning. So let me give him an example real quick. I'm gonna make this bigger. Let me get these drawings so it's clear for him too. I don't want him all confused. Get this out the way. Okay, and then let me do this. Okay. Let me fix everything back up so I can watch it while I'm going over his trades. Okay, and then let's bring it back up. Oh, let me mark it up a bit so he understands. Initial balance. Initial balance is just the first hour high and low. Okay, let's keep knocking this out. Losing trade. Okay, winning trade, but didn't take because it was out of session. Sweep tap. This is the first flip. This is a nasty trade. Let me tell him. And let me give him a drawing example too so he understands. Okay, winning trade. So let me do a drawing example what a first flip is. Okay, and then let's make this a smaller zone. I love that y'all are staying here. That means y'all are learning. Okay, so this is a first flip. Wait, let's do this. Arrow, arrow, first flip. Okay. Void taking first flips. I know you didn't take this, but for future reference. I think I spelled reference wrong. I did. Okay. I spelled future wrong also. Oh, first fix that wrong also. I see prices moving on the left here. Still getting nothing. Let me see. Check in, check in. Yep, getting nothing. There's this right here, but that's lower probability. Not gonna take that. Okay. So avoid taking first flips. I know you didn't take this, but for future reference. Okay. Missed trades. Trades I got mitigated before 50%. I think he's not understanding sweeps because all these plays that I'm looking at, no proper sweep. Oh, maybe he does. Hold on. We'll find out right now. What is he marking out? Yeah, sweep of accumulation. That works. Tap. Yeah. With the trend. Yeah, yeah. He's got me sold. He's got me sold. Trades got mitigated. Yeah. A lot of the times you'll even see plays work out after 40%. But remember, master the skill and the money will follow. Only taking a plus 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 make you rich. Plain and simple. Okay, where are we at here? Okay, yes. Okay, and yes. Okay, let me check his higher time frames. Okay. Still working on some that opportunity is the right opportunity. I like hearing that. Winning trades. Super counter trend, first flip. I hope he looks at what I'm replying to. Super counter trend, first flip. Okay, where we at? Trade. Ooh, this one's beautiful. I like this. This one's real sexy. Yeah, this was a good call. Yeah, I like this a lot. This is the type of trades that I'd be going for. And I'm gonna tell them exactly why. Okay. That's sexy. Let me show you. Because this one's with the trend. We even got a resistance line in the middle of it too. And a strong volatility. Yeah, this is nice. Okay. With the trend and resistance line in it. The 15-minute zone at all. Oh, we were even react. He didn't even mark it out. Let me show him. 15-minute zone. We can zoom in for y'all too, because I know y'all can't see nothing. There it goes. It's super blurry, but there's a zone right here. 15-minute zone. Okay, let's check the charts real quick. Do we see anything here? Ow, my goodness, this is terrible. Look at the 1 minute. It is so ugly. The play that I was talking about got filled too. If you want to see it, I can show you. It's right here. When I was like, oh, I see a play, but it's real ugly. This is what I was talking about. Okay. Let me put my buddy. My buddy. Let's see. Let me make sure he understands what I said real quick. The trend. Oh, I didn't need to control A+++ setup. Okay. Not on my Notion. Okay. Everything should be in your Notion. But this is, hold on my Notion, I mentioned this as missed, but now I'm looking at it again, already tapped 40 and hit. I'm assuming 100%. Yes. Hey, but just move on. Nice. Okay, I'm glad I'm liking this. 40 from the losing trade. Okay. A bit risky. I like it. Don't forget 3 taps. The 40 taps saved from losing trade. Oh, nice. Oh, I see what you're saying. You know what? I'll just leave it there. Nah. Don't forget to take your order off if you get 3 taps after 1 STDV. Okay, we're done with Andy. Let's do Adrian. Adrian, we have a lot. No, we don't actually. And Adrian has his stuff pretty nicely, so it's easy to go over. All right, let's do it. Back test number 27. He had 2 R's, so he had 2 wins. He was focused, he was open-minded, managed DD. That means that he followed his set amount of trades. Losses, 0 losses. I should honestly, I don't think he should track those. You know what? He's doing it at the end of the week, so I'll let him do that. Let me just warn him, honestly. Tracking wins or losses individually can hurt you mentally. Just be and don't. Expectations. Okay, I just have to warn him. I don't want him going down the wrong path, but by all means, do what works for you. All right. Now let's really get into his trades. I just love how simple his charts are for me to dissect and like go over. Cause like it's just ready, so I can just knock them out. Not sure if I would have taken don't like price and side zone. I've been wanting to tell him this. I'm gonna tell him this right now. If you're unsure about a zone, don't trade it. Move on. Ooh. Did I reply to the wrong one here? I did. Okay, let me go back to this one. Is there a proper sweep here? I don't think so. Let me check. Let's open this. I don't think he had a proper sweep here. Yeah, I don't really know. Unless that wick is. Oh, you know what? Yeah, there's a wick right here. It's just hard to see. Let me see if I can zoom in even more. Can I? There should be a wick right here. Can't tell. Let me see if I can find out in his other pictures. So I'm seeing price do nothing still. We've came down. We reached this area below. And for the new viewers, we're just waiting for a setup. No setups are happening. So I'm doing a review on my Mentees trades. This is something I want to do on Fridays. I think that's what I'm going to decide on is reviewing my Mentees trades on Fridays. I'm just not sure yet. I would have taken this if we had a nicer tap. If we get a tap and a break of structure on this red zone right here, I'll take it. Let me leave a note. Ah. Okay. If I get a break of structure tap on the zone, I'll take it. But until then, I can do nothing. Okay. Back to Adrian. Where's he at? Okay, I like this. Okay, let me start overs here. I got a little miscombobulated. Is the 1 minute zone. Let me see this data real quick. Open the picture again. The 1 minute zone. Okay. I see. I'm pretty sure that's a wick. Okay, then some sweep of accumulation. That's okay. To the upside. Oh, okay. I'm understanding this picture now. Look at the zone on the left. We're already respecting it. Like I've talked about earlier too. The pattern that we're looking for, NNT, it happens. And the pattern still happened here. See how the price came out? Tapped, it didn't tap the zone, but it's still tapped. It's that pullback. That pattern is still happening. It is happening the wrong way. It's not perfect, so I'm not going to take the trade. I just want a perfect pattern. Okay, so going back to Adrian's journal. Let me dissect this a bit more. Okay. I loved how he marked the 15-minute zone. Huge improvement. It's pretty badass. He marked the 1 minute zone in the 15-minute. He was also ready for a bullish play. Pretty badass. And, oh, you know what I don't like about this? This is counter trend. This is pretty counter trend, yeah. I can tell you exactly why it is. This is why I'd like to take my time and dissect these trades so I can really tell them what to do. Because at first glance, I was like, wow, this looks amazing. He's doing really good. And then I'm looking at it even more and I'm like, oh, wait, he messed up. So as you can tell that we're very bearish. We're moving bearish. So why would we take a bullish trade? It just doesn't make sense. And we had a lot of strength. Okay, you know what? I'm going to tell him this exactly. This is a bullish trade. Could have been counter trend. But if you truly, I suppose truly felt and believed you were switching bullish and stay bullish, and by all means take it. Because there's obviously still intuition, so this is what I told him. I said this is a bullish trade. It could have been counter trend because we're all coming down. We're coming out of that 15-minute zone. We're breaking zones. But if you truly felt and believed that we were switching bullish and staying bullish, then by all means take it. Because that intuition still, he could be right. The 1 minute close, 15-minute zone. That 15-minute zone and 5-second. Wait, is that a 1 minute? Yeah. The 1 minute close out the. Let me just screenshot this. Oh, price dumped. If I find a bearish play right here, I'll take it. Yeah. Let me check this out real quick. Yeah, if price dumps and we get a little bit of a pullback. Yep, I'll take it. I like this. So if we continue bearish right here and we pull a little sweep of something and a zone gets created, I'll take it. Let's get Adrian, Mr. DK. Okay, hold up. Let me see. Oh, I wanted to do that. I remember that trade I took because I was targeting the high time frame zones, but also do see why it would be counter trend. That's awesome that you're watching. Um, so my reasoning for thinking that this is bearish is the 1 minute close over this 1 minute zone. Even if it was a 5-second zone, it's just holding a range. So let me send that to you right now. Second. The 1 minute close out the 1 minute zone would have made me think bearish plays. But if you're watching Adrian, if you truly felt that we were switching bullish and we're staying bullish, do your bullish trade. Do not listen to anything I just told you. Stick with your intuition. But obviously take my advice, hear my advice, hear others' advice, be open-minded. But in the moment, when you're in the game, focus on what you know what you're doing, because you're training and you're relying on that intuition, like Spider-Man. Okay, let's see right here. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is like the most easiest textbook play right here. I love this. With the trend, bearish sweep, all textbook setup. There's no reason why I would think this is bullish. Perfect. Right here, no tap. This will be not hit. Yeah, absolute pass. I love how you're showing me setups you're missing. That means you're aware of the pattern. Okay. Let me give him a little hint, actually. What is that? Okay. Sometimes when seeing the NNT pattern, but not perfect, I'll put a zone there and use it to gauge direction. Okay. And then let's do this one. Okay, so on the left to price, I was hoping that we would get a sweep play and then a pull down so that I can catch a trade with the trend to the downside. But I doubt it's going to happen because we respected the zone below. We'll see. We'll see. We still got till 1:30, so. Order almost got mitigated 40%. High time frame zone. I think it's a magnet for stop loss. Let me see. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, let me tell him something. Also with this, I've noticed a lot of times that if we do that to 40%, we're normally not gonna, we're gonna normally hit the stop loss. Okay. So like when price comes in, okay. When I see price come in, sorry, hold on. I was like looking at to see if there's a zone here. There's a zone here, but it's counter trend. I'm not gonna take it. Okay, when I see price come in, close to 40%, but not touching it, but doing this BS, like 2 spikes really close to it teasing me, I pass on it because it's indicating indicating um price already got filled. Okay. Wow, he's doing so much better so fast. It's crazy. Okay, zero, no trades taken, clear direction, but bad price action. Yeah, that happens. Yeah. So we're taking a zone. Yeah, if you're unsure, I think I already told you that. Don't take it. Did not take that zone underneath. Super smart. Um, Let me see here. Yeah, smart. Especially too when like candles are real spacey. I want to show him right now. Seeing the 5-second candles have these large spaces. Let me make sure I get the journal here. Oops. Spaces indicate that volume is not present. Not present, meaning low volatility. Yeah, I love the new format. Okay, hold up. Let me check this real quick. Damn. I would have 1000% taken this if we didn't get the pullback already. Yeah, this would have been my setup right here, but we already got the pullback. That sucks. This is what just Adrian just said. Clear direction, bad price action. Yeah, like I see this, but it's way too risky. Oh man. I don't know. I kind of like this, but I want a strong 1 minute close. Yeah. I cannot have a wick on one SCDV for this. Okay, so I'll take this if I get that 1 minute body like pull. If I don't get that pull, I'm not gonna take it. So let's leave it here. And let's open back. Okay. Oh, look, we might get that one body pull right now. Actually, let's see. Let's have this out like this so I can see it better. Okay. Oh, it's already happening. Yeah, let me put my order here. Not giving me any time. I didn't think this was gonna go that fast. That's a tell that I shouldn't be doing this. Let's see. Oh, why does it always do that? I have to redo it again. I might not even have time to catch it. Okay, so let's make this my main. My main. Okay. Let's see here. This would definitely be a higher RR play. If you're still watching, Adrian, um, how you get higher R and R? So like right now you're risking $10 to make $10. Um, you can risk $10 to make $20 by taking zones with a trend. So like right now, we're with the bearish trend. We know we're coming down. So the likelihood of us taking a gamble and following the trend still is high. So we can go for higher RR. And typically, when you do that, you can go for 5R. So instead of going for $10 to make $10, you can risk 10 to make 50. Let's see. I want it. Hopefully we get filled before 1:30. I also need a reaction. If I don't get a reaction, I'm gonna rip it off. make this tighter. Oh. Okay, I'll leave that. I'll start go back to dissecting the trade. I thought we were coming back up already. Let's see here. Oh, we are. Jeez Louise. Okay. Volatility just keeps coming in and out. Is there news right now? Candles. I want this, dude. Come on. I do not like the volatility spawning in, though. I might rip it off. Okay, we got our tap. Come on, give me more of a pullback here. There we go. Okay. I'm liking it. Let me get rid of this zone. There you go. Might be a lot easier to see now. Okay, I want to finish up dissecting Adrian's trades. I only have 2 more sessions to go over. I might just have to wait. I just don't want to miss ripping my order off, but I kind of want it now. I don't see why I would take it off. Unless we bounce a bunch. Yeah, I can go for higher RR here. I won't though, I won't. I told myself I wouldn't. And we're expecting a loss, so if our stop loss gets hit, stop loss gets hit. Oh no, I might have to take it off. Let's see. Uh-oh. I'm ready for it. It still hasn't touched the blue line yet. I'm just ready to take it off. Oh, we got failed. Yeah, I didn't like how we swam at 40. That was pretty gross. I'm not expecting this trade to work out, but we'll see. We're always expecting a loss. I did not like the swimming at 40%. That was a huge no-no for me. I should take my order off because of that. Yeah, I'm expecting a stop to get hit. And we'll just document it. And then I'll just write about how I didn't like the 40%. But that takes us at 1 loss and 1 win on the day. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Okay, let's document it with the trend. We did chop. Let's see. Oh, what? That is so annoying. It wicked me out. Oh, that is so annoying. Look, that's hilarious. Yeah, my stop loss is right here. I hit my stop loss and then went for a take profit. It'd be like that. Okay. Let me document this. In the journal. Stop loss got wicked, then take profit. Profit got hit. Okay. I knew it was a little too tight too, but I was already in the position, so I didn't want to touch it. So it is what it is. I think that's it. Yeah, oh, let me just finish Adrian's journal and then I'll call the session off. Okay, no trades taken. Passed on instead of being selective. Let's see here. Would have entered. Volatility came in and delivered. Was waiting for a reaction zone after one SCV. Fair. Okay, nice. Oh, let me see if he caught direction with that. Yeah, that's fair enough. I'll give you that. Okay. Next one. Let's see here. One loss, hit stop loss, was rushing through it. I feel like I could have analyzed better. Stop loss hit. Yeah, rejecting a bottom zone. You're just in the way of it. 40% mitigated. Order taken off. Pretty cool. Okay. Soon as you feel like you're rushing, you're hurting yourself. Times 10 by continuing. Okay, step back. Do some push-ups. Don't forget, that's super serious. Okay. He is doing absolutely amazing right now. It's crazy how well he has like blown up in such a small window of time. Today's session, we would have, I think, how much was this? How much did we lose off this setup? Because we're just going max size on each trade. That sucks. I got wicked out. That's hilarious. I think I can just pull up the account here. Yeah, I don't know how much we're down. Oh, we're just like down 500. I have to look at what trailing is, but I think I only have like 1,000 left in trailing. This is trailing intraday and not trailing end of day. It's a lot different. So yeah, that's basically it. That sucks that I got wicked. With the other play, I put it in the journal. The other play was just textbook setup, nothing special. And what else? We're gonna be at what? We're at break even because we had what, one win and one loss, two trades. Let's see. Risk per trade is 5 contracts, so I know like it's not gonna be P&L. Oh, I showed up to evening. Okay. I think that's it. We're done here. Awesome session. Thank y'all for joining me. I love that y'all learn. And y'all can see I'm human still. So obviously I took a loss. Stuff happens. It's pretty cool that I can do all this live and you can see it with me. Okay, I think I'm hopping off now. I appreciate you. I got a lot of work to do. Thank y'all. I'll TTY out.